Hello everyone, I am Zeng Li, the head of Dongguan Lishang jiuzhou. As a practitioner in the Dalan woolen textile industry in Dongguan, I am delighted to present to you the unique features of our craft through this video. Without further ado, let's get started with my camera. We have a blue pullover sweater that needs to be converted into a cardigan. However, as the customer has already determined the materials, we have a corresponding sample to refer to. The first step is to record the relevant measurements of the sample. Preparing for the alteration. Using the recorded size data, we create a work order and machine setup information for the altered style. With these materials, we can use a professional computerized flat knitting machine to knit the fabric pieces. Next, we take the knitted pieces to the sewing station to connect them in order. Once the garment is assembled, it goes through the next step of washing and finishing. Finally, after going through the pressing and inspection stages, it's ready for packaging. Before we wrap up, let me show you the finished garment. I hope you like it. Please follow my account for more insights into the glory and untold hardships of the Dalan woolen textile industry. I am Zeng Li, and we'll see you in the next video.